Hi guys, I'm Chandler with Dordan, and I'm here with my eldest brother, Sean.
Howdy.
Returning to Dordan from the West Coast. Welcome back, Sean.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, tell our fans a little bit about yourself.
I'm a father and a man. And I don't know, I want to save the earth, and I like music. So there's that.
Those are all good things.
Yeah, I miss the ocean and the mountains and my friends, though. But yeah.
Well, you're back.
I got new friends, sort of. I got family.
Why'd you come back to Dordan? Tell me a little bit about your experience with thermoforming.
Well, I mean, I've been doing this. I'm 46. I've been doing this since I was 9 years old. Started working in summers, sweeping floors.
Don't say that. 16.
No. No.
There's laws against that now.
Apparently not. I was told there wasn't. So that's a whole other conversation we can have later. Yeah, where's my retribution? Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this off and on forever. It was like not a choice. It was kind of like, this is what we do. And I like learning things. So it doesn't really matter what it is if it's of interest and it's not the same all the time.
Cool.
It's very interesting to me. I like thermoforming because it's like, there's a lot that goes into it. And there's a lot of things to know. And the people that really know it well, there's a lot of information and technical information. Yeah. I like science and math and things, chemistry. So yeah, those are all part of this. It's not simple.
Okay, so you've had like 40 years of experience in thermoforming. How do you feel like Dordan is different than our competition?
Well, we have a vested interest because it's a family business, and the people that work here are like family. I mean, some of our employees have been here almost 40 years.
Yeah.
And we're also small enough that if you have a project and you're working with us, you're dealing with the same person all the time. I mean, you might pull an engineer in for a meeting, but the point of contact is always going to be a salesperson, and the salesperson knows enough about thermoforming that they can answer your questions without having to say, "Oh, let me check, I'll get back to you." Yeah,
yeah, very well said. Yeah. So, okay, anything else that you want to share with our 5 subscribers?
Gee, I'm so nervous. No, not really. I mean, I don't know. If you have a project that requires thermoforming, give us a call and
he has to talk to Sean.
Yeah, there you go. Talk to me. I'll just tell jokes all the time and make this process a lot less painful.
All right, cool. All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.